Anyway, guys, this is somebody peace and say welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, it, comment. Happy 2026. Happy Thursday. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start of today. A popular South African sangoma podcast. DJ Skotene. Guys, did you still remember in 2024 to September, August Skotene lost her son after a long life struggling with health issues. Guys, this year in 2026, August Skotene announced it's a boy 04/02/2026. So God did it again. So guys, August Skotene announced ukuthi unengane yomfana. A huge congratulations to August Skotene. She went again, should I create an account for him? I don't think I'll be sharing his journey on my account. I didn't know Coco Skotene, she was pregnant, guys. But you know what? One thing about these celebrities nowadays, they just want to hide everything. It's a good thing, guys. You don't need to announce everything on social media. These are not your family. These are just your followers. You know, some of the people, they don't even care about you. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Thursday. To take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.